Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to make a little bit of breakfast. We have some tater tots right here. We got them all thawed out and get ready. We're going to put these on a waffle iron, and then we also have some cheddar cheese. That's one of my favorites to put on top of the waffles. And then I also like to put a little garlic and pepper with it. And then of course we're going to top it off with a egg. Okay, let's get started. Well, the first thing we need to do is get this waffle iron heated up. I had it turned on there for a minute and then I wasn't ready, so we're going to go ahead and get it heated up, put it up on max. There we go. And then what I normally do is, I had this kind of hot, just take your tater tots and then just put them across your waffle iron like this and stack them. I mean, get them as close as you can get them. If you don't want to leave no room, don't leave any room. Just put them in there nice and close. Yes. As many as you can put on there. And make sure your waffles are already on thawed. Don't put them on frozen because it takes too much time to cook them. But you can hear them cooking now. Get them on there. Any way you can. Go. Boy, that looks good too. As many as you get on there. Okay, now we're going to take a little bit of cheese and just kind of sprinkle it over top of it. You can put what you want to put on it. I mean, if you want to put a lot of cheese, put a lot of cheese on it. Now this is the pasture cheese, the good cow cheese. It's don't have too much stuff in it. I mean, it's really good. And then you get it nice and thick like that, and then at the end you can put some garlic on it, and we also have some cracked pepper we can put on it. So all I do is just put it down over here like this, let it go down slow. Now I put a pan underneath here for a reason, because it's going to start coming out, the oil and stuff in the tater tots, and also what's in the cheese. It's going to be coming out. Make sure your waffle iron is up as high as it can go, and it'll take a few minutes to cook it because it's got to, you know, fry a little bit there. But you can see the oil and stuff coming out. So make sure you got a pan or something underneath here, so you don't make a big mess. Okay, almost. A little bit more. Now it takes probably about, I'd say about 10 minutes, something like that, to get it to, you know, to cook through. Here it comes. Almost done. There's your waffle and cheddar cheese. Let me get it cooked a little bit more here, and then I'll get you a close-up on this. There you go. Look at that. Now it'll get crunchy, hard, you know what I mean, around here. Just a little bit longer. Cook it. These are really good. Great for breakfast. You can also do some other stuff. I got some other things we're going to do and make with the waffle iron. But I like that cheese. Look at that golden brown. Boy. Let me see if I can pick this up a little bit. No, almost. Still got to cook a little bit longer. But like I said, it throws a lot of oil. You can see it. It's all over the place here. Like I said, it's coming out of that cheese and that tater tots too. There you go. I like mine a little bit more crunchier. Now, you can always just put a little cracked pepper on top of it. We're going to do it right here. And then you can also just throw a little bit of garlic. I like the powder on my potatoes. Just a little bit of garlic powder. Fry that thing again. Ain't gonna hurt it. Just gonna put that flavor in there. That's all it's gonna do. Okay, now all we're gonna do is take this over to the table. I'm gonna go ahead and get it off here. Let me find something else. Give me a knife or something. Give me a fork. Take a fork. Unstuck a little bit. That's hot. Well, look at that. Don't that look good? Now, if you wanted to, you can top a little bit more cheese on there if you want more cheese. But you can see the cheese all around it where it melted right into the potatoes. And then, like I said, I like putting some garlic and pepper, cracked pepper on top of it. And then we're going to place an egg on top there. Okay, here you go. That's it. And this is a really good breakfast. Just cook this the way I like my eggs. I don't like them kind of runny, but I do like them this way. And then we just top it off with an egg. You could probably put a couple on here. A good cup of coffee in the morning, and ready to go. Let's see what it looks like. That's good. That's real good. Okay, there you go. If you want to put more cheddar cheese or anything like that with it, just throw it on top of it. It's really, really tasty and good breakfast. All right, if you got any comments, just leave them down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do it. Thanks for coming.